More than that,
Okay, sir.
since we are doing it for a longer time, 11th போட்டுட்டு இருக்கிறதுனால உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கணும். நம்ம 11th ஒரு வாட்டி தான் போட்டு பார்த்தோம், அப்புறம் 12th போட்டோம் இல்லையா?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Hi, Naveen, Vishnu, Sonali. Yeah. Good evening. So இதுதான் லாஸ்ட் வீக் நம்ம போட்டுட்டு I had asked you to do the second part of this problem. Okay. So 3 numbers are chosen at random one after another with replacement from the set S equal to 1 to 100. Let P1 be the probability that the maximum of the chosen numbers is at least 81, and P2 will be the probability that the minimum of the chosen numbers is at most 40. You have to find out the value of P1 and P2 and then calculate the given expressions. 625 by 4 times P1. So our first part நம்ம போட்டோம். This is the first part. So I mean, I'm not able to show both the problem and the solution. What do you think? So now, please do the second part if you have not done it already. யாராவது பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா the problem? Because I had given it in the last week. At the end of the class, I sent out the material, right? So worked out problem. So I had included this question, asked you to do this problem. யாராவது போட்டீங்களா? Sonali, Naveen?
No, sir, I was not in that class.
Okay. Okay, it'll take about a couple of minutes. Okay, so then we will. It should be relatively easy, especially since one similar problem is already solved. So another similar problem is what you need to do.
$29, sir.
29. Okay. I'm not sure. I will have to check that. But good. So you are able to solve it. What about Sonali and Naveen? Let's give 1 or 2 more minutes and then we'll look at the solution. 29. No, 29 is not the correct answer. Okay, so any update? Sonali?
No, sir.
Are you able to figure out how to do this?
Not, I'm not getting it, sir.
You're not getting it. Okay. Naveen?
Sir.
Are you able to do this problem? P equal to 116 by 2. Okay, so let's just do it. Okay, so we're running out of time. See, the probability that the minimum is at most 40. So minimum is at most 40. What does it mean? At least one. இது மேல எழுதிட்ட மாதிரி எழுதிக்கலாம் இது.
40 க்கு கீழ இருக்கணும் சார்.
Correct. At least one should be less than or equal to 40. அப்பதான் minimum 40 இருக்கும். At least one of the number should be less than or equal to 40. Okay. So it can be written in another way. What is the other way? We can write like the above 1 minus So if all three numbers are not greater than 40, at least one will be less than or equal to 40. So whenever you see at least one, you can convert it into something similar to this form. Okay. So at least one should be less than or equal to 40 abdina. 1 minus probability that all numbers are greater than 40. Because this probability is easy to determine. All three numbers greater than 40. So we are doing this experiment with replacement, right? So greater than 40 means there are 60 numbers, right? 60 by 100, right? So and what does this come to? This is what you should have done, right, Santana Mariraj? You got
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But you got a different answer. This is 1 minus 3 by 5 cube, yeah, 3 by 5. This is 60 by 100.
27 by 125.
27, right? By 125. 3 cube by 5 cube. So that is 98 by 125 is what you're getting. This is your P2. But you got a different number, right? What did you miss?
Yes, sir. நான் 27 பதிலா 9 போட்டுட்டேன் சார். ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Okay. Cube. Okay. Be careful. So your P2 is equal to 98 by 125. So what is required? 125 by 4. P2. To 98 by 4 is 24.5. Okay. So do you all agree? Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Right. So then do this seventh problem. Okay, the last problem. The number is chosen at random from the set 1 to 2000. Okay. Let P be the probability that the number is a multiple of 3 or a multiple of 7. Then the value of 500P is what? Just keep working on it. I'll just come.
So 214.
214. Who did that? Okay. Yeah, 214 is the right answer. Very good. Let's see if Sonali and Naveen are they able to. Sonali is getting 237.7. Very good. Yeah. 500 feet. No, we are getting 237. You have to get exactly 214. Something.
I will check it, sir.
Yeah, please check. And Naveen,
Sir,
are you able to do this?
yes, sir. Water king.
Okay. Have you completed?
No, sir.
No. Got it. I'll give you some more time then.
So now I got 214.
You got 214, Sonali? Okay. Naveen, please tell me when you are done.
சார் நம்பர் மாற்றி எடுத்தேங்க சார்.
Okay. So you want to, you're, what are you saying? You're still working on it or?
சார் சார் மாற்றி எடுத்தேங்க சார், மறுபடியும் ஃபஸ்ட்டு எடுத்துக்கிறேங்க. கரெக்டாக போட்டிருக்கேங்க சார்.
அப்படியா? ம். நோ ப்ராப்ளம், ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. நான் அப்புறம் கால் பண்றேன். நான் கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேன் இப்போ. நான் கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்ச உடனே உங்களுக்கு கால் பண்றேன். So let us see. Santana Mariraj, how did you do? Can you tell me?
சார் 1 to 200 நம்பர் இருக்கலாம் சார். அதில் வந்து 3 மல்டிபிள் வந்து 666 சார். வித் ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் ஏபி கண்டுபிடிச்சேன் சார். அண்ட் மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் 7 வந்து 285 சார். அதுவும் ஏபி வச்சு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டேன் சார். அப்புறம் 2 காமனுக்கும் ஏபி யூஸ் பண்ணி அந்த எல்சிஎம் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டேன் சார். 21 இஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் அண்ட் காமன் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் எல்சிஎம் வந்து 21. ஸோ nth டேர்ம் வந்து கண்டுபிடிக்க மிஷினில் காமன் வேல்யூ வந்து 95 வந்துச்சு சார். ஸோ யூனியன் வந்து 856 சார். ஸோ 856 divided by 2000 into 500 is equal to 214 sir.
Okay. See here, you see that the number, the sample set, that the entire set of numbers, it includes 2000 numbers, right? 1 to 2000. So number in the entire set is 2000, n of s. Number of multiples of 3, right? Equal to 1, 3, 6, etc. up to 2000. Okay, and this is simply the integer of integral part, okay, of this. Okay. So you don't have to use any, even AP and all that for this. Okay. So you can see that, if it is a sequence like 3, 6 up to 2000, so you take the integral part of 2000 divided by 3, so those many numbers will be there, right? So this is 6 is 6, right, like you said. Okay. Same way, n of multiples of 7 the integral part of 2000 by 7, all of them. Okay, which is 285. Like you said, no? So number of multiples of 21 எடுத்துக்கணும். Because 3 and 7 அதை நம்ம டபுள் கவுண்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம், ரைட்? இந்த ரெண்டுத்திலுமே காமனா இருக்கிறது multiples of 21. So that gets double counted if you simply add that. Yeah, that is the basic set theory. P of A union B is, number of A union B will be A plus B minus A intersection B. Yeah, that's what you are doing. So this will be again similar. Integral part of 2000 by 21, and that comes to 95. Therefore, the P value of P is simply 666 plus 285 minus 95, right, divided by 2000. This comes to 666 plus 190, which is 856. So since we want 500p, and I am not simplifying at this stage, so we can simply calculate 500p and then do the simplification. So it is simply now 856 divided by 4, right, which is 214. Okay, so it's clear for everybody.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So everybody got it. Very good. So with that, now we go to today's topic, which is binomial theorem, sequences and series. Okay. Okay. So this is our first problem for binomial theorem. This is from binomial theorem. This is one of, again, the binomial theorem la romba complicated கேட்கவே முடியாது இந்த மாதிரி. It's based on that what is the nth term, coefficient of nth term, rth term. அது அந்த மாதிரி அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் கேட்க முடியும். Either something like in these two expressions, two expansions, the coefficient is equal அந்த மாதிரி. So let a and b be two non-zero real numbers if the coefficient of x power 5 with the expansion of ax square plus 70 by 20 bx whole to the power of 4 is equal to coefficient of x to the power of minus 5 in the expansion of this ax minus 1 by bx square whole to the power of 7, then value of 2b is. Okay. So you simply apply the formula for the tr plus 1, we have a formula, right? So that you apply that on both the expressions and you will get this answer. நம்ம இதே மாதிரி similar problems நம்ம already போட்டிருக்கோம். Plus otherwise, they will give like any three terms are in AP, அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். Based on this the tr plus 1 and the formula use பண்ணி ஈஸியா போட்டுடலாம். Most of the problems in binomial theorem we've seen that something or other comes and they are fairly easy. Okay, so this is one type. I'll come to the next type. I have another problem. Either போடுங்க. That's it. So I will write the formula for, what is the formula for tr plus 1?
NCR x n minus r y r.
Very good. In the expansion of x plus y whole to the power of n, tr plus 1 is ncr x power n minus r y power r. Very good. Just use this, you can solve this problem. Take about 3 minutes. Okay, so from 8 now up to 8:03. Hi, Keshav. Okay. So has somebody did at least the one part? எவ்வளோ பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? It's got two parts. First determining the
லாஸ்டா சிம்பிளிஃபை மட்டும் பண்ணுங்க சார்.
Okay, okay. What about Sonali? You want to say something?
So first expression வந்து r is equal to 3. Second expression r is equal to 4 I got.
Okay.
Simplify பண்ணோம் sir.
Okay, okay. First expression check பண்ணுங்க. r equal to 3 சொன்னீங்க இல்லையா? Check that.
Okay, I will check it sir. Sir, r is equal to 1.
Okay. Okay. Good.
So 3 is the answer.
3. Okay. Very good. 3 is the right answer. 2B. Good, Sonali.
Yes.
Okay. Santana Mariraj and Naveen?
So doing so.
Doing.
Sir, answer 3, sir.
Answer 3. Santana Mariraj. Good. Good. Naveen, நீங்க போட்டீங்களா?
Yes, sir. 3, sir.
You also got it right. Good, 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 good. So all have done. Okay. So let's just write down the steps. So since Sonali did it first, Sonali, can you tell me what are the steps? What did you do first?
Sir, I took it like NCR. I applied NCR formula. So 4CR, 4CR AX is equal to 4CR AX square whole power 4 minus R into 70 by 27 BX power R. So next step 4CR x a power 4 minus R into 70 by a power 4 minus R into 70 by 27b power R. So x power will be like x power 8 minus 2R minus R. So after that அந்த x power வந்து 5 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டா 8 minus 3R is equal to 5. So R is equal to 1 ன்ட்டு இது கிடைச்சது. அப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷனுக்கு அதே மாதிரி சால்வ் பண்ணுறோம்.
Okay, we'll come to that. இதை நம்ம first போடுறோம். So இது வந்து so we have to separate it like what are the terms involving x, what are the terms not involving x. அப்படி போட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக வந்துடும். a பவர் 4 minus r x விட்டுடுவோம். இதில் வந்து 70 over 27b whole power r. இதெல்லாம் தான் terms that do not involve x. Okay. அப்புறம் terms that involve x வந்து x power x square power 4 power r இல்லையா, அது வந்து அப்போ 8 minus 2rனு போட்டுடலாம். கரெக்டா? x square power 4 minus r x power 8 minus 2r. இது வந்து x power minus r. So நம்ம minus r அப்படி போட்டலாம். Okay. So this is what the expression, the simpler form. So this is how you write. Okay, you take all the x terms separately, all the other terms separately. So you get like this. So this is what you equate to 5 now. So like Sonali said, 8 minus 3r equal to 5. It gives us 3r equal to 3 or r equal to 1. Okay. Now you put r equal to 1 in this expression, you get the coefficient. So you put r equal to 1. 4c1 a power 4 minus 1. 70 by 27b to the power of 1. So it is like that's all. Okay, so that means this is 4, right? Four into 70 by 27. எதுவுமே இந்த simplify ஆகாது. அதனால 28 to 80. Okay, so did you get this expression? 280 divided by 27 into a cube divided by b. Okay, this is your coefficient of x power 5 in the first expression. Same way you do the second one. Okay. This is the first expression. Okay. ax minus 1 by bx square. Yeah. So now NCR is here 7. 7 CR. AX. Right? Same way you let us write 7CR A power 7 minus R 1 by B power R. This is the terms without X. Terms with X and X power 7 minus R minus 2R. X power 2R minus 2R. So that means 7 minus 3R equal to minus 5 now. It gives us 3R equal to 12. Right? I am bringing R to the right side and number to the left side. 3R equal to 12. R equal to 4. So you put R equal to 4 in this expression. Coefficient of seven C4 A power 7 minus R 1 by B power R. So what is 7C4 is same as 7C3. 7C4 equal to 7C3. So now 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 factorial, so which gives us 35. Okay, so this is one expression and this is the other expression, 35 A cube divided by B power 4. So you know you have to be saying that this coefficient is equal to this coefficient, and you equate this and you get a value 280 by 27 into A cube by B equal to 35 into A cube by B power 4. So you see that the A gets cancelled out. So that gives us 280 by 27B equal to 35 by B power 4. Or no, 280, I think I missed a 0. 280 B power 4 equal to 280. So 35 by 280 is 8. So we get B cube equal to 27 by 8. It gives us straight away B equal to 3 by 2. B equal to 3 by 2 now. So we want 2B. Right? I think everybody got it. So very good. So we'll move on to the next problem. So other type of problem that I generally see is finding out the reminders. Binomial theorem can be used for easily finding out the reminders. Let's see. What is the remainder when 3 power 200 is divided by 8, divided by 10, divided by 11? ஏதாச்சும் ஒன்று போட்டுட்டீங்கன்னா just stop and we'll discuss that, and that then we can proceed to the second part, next part.
Sir, one reminder.
For the first part.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's just give the people a minute before discussing that. Santanu Meriraj and Sonali are able to figure out the first part.
Doing, sir.
என்ன சொன்னீங்க? புரியல. Sonali?
Doing, sir.
Doing.
Ani-
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Take another minute or so.
Yes, sir. One per person.
You got one. Very good. Santana Meriraj? You also got the
One.
same. So let's see. Let's hear from Naveen. How did you do, Naveen? Can you explain the first part?
Sir, 3 power 200 and 9 power 100 எழுதி 9 8 plus 1 the whole power 100 எழுதலாம் sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay. 9 power 100 எழுதிக்கலாம், which is same as 8 plus 1. So our goal should be to write it in this form: 8 plus something or 8 minus something. Okay. So then, because here 8 is given, right? So that means 8 plus 1 whole to the power of 100 is going to have 8 power 100 plus 100 C1, 8 power 99, and so on. Okay, into 1. And every term will have 8. Okay, except the last term, which will be 1 to the power of 100. You will see that every term will have 8. Therefore, this thing when divided by 8 is going to give remainder is 1. Okay. So what about the second part now?
So 10 minus 1 the whole power 100.
Very good, very good. So you, instead of 8 plus 1, the same thing. You can write it as 9 power 100, which will be, instead of 8 plus 1, we can write it as 10 minus 1 whole to the power of 100. So which will also have the similar format on an alternating sign வரும் அதுதான் 10 power NC 100 C1, right? Okay. So what will be the last term? So you have to determine its sign now. Okay, so that is the only difference. Okay. So talking about 101th term is the last term. So you simply write T 101 equal to, so your R is 100 therefore, right? Okay. Ten power 0 and under 1 power 100 tomorrow. So this is equal to plus 1. So that is what is the only term that will not be divisible by 10. Adnala, the remainder is again 1. Okay. Right. So you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Super. So do the third part. It's a little tricky. Record it as 2. Okay. Just check that. 9. No, Santana Miraj. Sonali or Naveen, are you getting any answer?
Sir, wireless struck ஆயிடுச்சு.
Okay, so let us see. What about Naveen?
Sir, 11 minus 2 the whole power 100 போட்டா வரலைங்க சார்.
Okay. So, இதுல நீங்க எப்படி approach பண்ணீங்க Santana Miraj? You are getting some answers, right? How did you approach?
Sir, 11 minus 2 the whole power to 100.
Okay. If you do 11 minus 2 the whole power 100, the last term will be some 2 power some 100, right?
2 by Sir, 2 by 11.
So இது வந்து இது மாதிரி போடுறது கஷ்டம். If you're able to get it as 1, that will be good. அதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், 3 power 5 இப்படி போட்டுருக்கேன் கரெக்டா. 243 to the power of 4. So this is you can try to express it not just 11. You can try to express it in the form of 11n. Okay, that is also possible. That will also give you an easy solution. Okay, this you get 3 power எது வந்து 11 க்கு எதுவும் வரல, 2 தான் வருது. அப்ப 11 ஸ்கொயர் into 2, 11 into 3 அப்படி பார்க்கணும் எது கிட்ட வருது அப்படின்னு. இப்போ இது any power of 3 is comes close to 11 into something. So you have to do a few trial and errors to figure out. Okay, but கொஞ்சம் think பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get it. Okay, because 3 power 5 is 243 and that comes close to a factor of 11. இப்போ எப்படி பண்ணணும்னா 3 ஸ்கொயர் கிட்ட எதுவும் வரல, 3 cube 27 கிட்ட எதுவும் வரல, டக்குன்னு போட்டுடலாம். 3 power 4 81 அது கிட்ட 11 into something எதுவும் வரல. அதனால 3 power 5 தான் next. 243, you will see that 243 is 242 plus 1 and the 242 is the multiple of 11. Okay? So இதுல இருந்து you can the answer as remainder is 1. Okay, because it's 11 into 22 plus 1 whole to the power of 100 போடும்போது எல்லா termும் it will have 11, right, except the last term. So your remainder will be again 1. So there are many other problems also. So I just thought I'll tell you that this type of problem is important. Sometimes இது மாதிரி வருது உங்க problem setல. So please practice this kind of problem. Okay. So let's move on to another problem. This is our third problem of the day. This is from sequences and series. Okay, this is an arithmetic series only. Okay, கொஞ்சம் tough இருக்கு. Let L1, L2 up to L100 be consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression with common difference D1. W1, W2, etc. up to W100 be consecutive terms of another arithmetic progression with common difference D2, where D1 into D2 equal to 10. For each I equal to 1 to 100, let Ri be a rectangle with length Li and width Wi, and area AI. Okay. So if A51 minus A50 is 1000, then what is A100 minus A90? Please think about it for a few minutes. Then since it involves terms like A51, A50, A100, A90, so you have to figure out what is the formula for AR. Okay, and AR is a rectangle with length LR and width WR. So both are arithmetic progressions. So you can find out the formula for AR. You substitute. Let's see. So what is LR? Correct? LR is L1 plus R minus 1 into D1, because first sequence has got first term as L1 and common difference as D1. And what about the second series? Same way. Right? So, and what is therefore AR? Simply length into breadth, yeah, area. This comes to L1 into W1, L1 into D2 into R minus 1. அதே மாதிரி W1 into D1 into R minus 1. This is it cannot be simplified any further, so we can just leave it like this. So AR. From now you substitute what is A51, A50, find out the difference is 1000. From that you will get some result that you use to determine this A100 minus A90. No, R is known now. And D1, D2 is also given. D1, D2 is also given as 10. Okay. இது எப்படி இருக்கட்டும். So what is A50? So, and it's given that the difference is 1000. Yeah. Now this term will go away. That is the advantage. So what you get is simply L1 D2 plus W1 D1 plus into 50 times இங்க இருக்கு. அதுல 49 times இங்க எடுத்துறோம். So this is what will remain. Plus 10 into 50 square minus 49 square. And this is given as 1000. Therefore, you can get this value. L1 D2 plus W1 D1 equal to 1000 minus. So this is 10 into 50 square minus 49 square is 50 plus 49 into 50 minus 49. So 99 simply. 10 another. 1000 minus 10 into 99, 10. So now once you know this value, you can calculate A100 minus A90. இதே மாதிரி போட வேண்டியதான். This is the only thing. L1 D2 plus W1 D1 தான் needed expression இருக்கும். That also, since you have got it from the given data. So now you substitute and find out what is A100 minus A90.
$18,900.
18,900. Very good, very good. So that's 18,900. Sonali also got the same thing. Very good. Santana Mariraj? Very good. So all of you have got it. Super. So I'll just complete it for the sake of it. Okay. Maybe A100 equal to yeah, 100 square into 10. அதே மாதிரி A90. So இது மைனஸ் இது ஓகே. So now L1 D2 plus W1 D1 into 100 மேல இருக்கு 90 கீழ இருக்குனால 10 இது plus 10
Sir, 99 sir வரணும்.
என்னமா?
So மேல 100 ஸ்கொயர்ங்கிற இடத்துல 99 ஸ்கொயர் தான் சார் வரணும்.
I make a mistake. Yeah. Correct. 99 square. R minus 1 whole square, yeah? Correct. Thanks for pointing out. Navi. Yeah. So, இது வந்து L1 D2 plus W1 D1 into 10, 100 minus 90 plus 10 into 99 square minus 89 square. that means now we got this as L1D2 plus W1D1 as 10. So now this is 10 into 10 plus 10 into this is 99 plus 89, which is 188. Yeah. Into 10. That means 100 plus 188 double 0. So 18900. Okay. I think you all got the same answer. So okay, time is running out. We'll just do one more problem. Okay. இது ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் ப்ராப்ளம். இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் நிறைய கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ sometimes expression is given or sometimes it is given in this way, so it's all the same. Okay. So let A1, A2, A3 be an arithmetic progression with A1 equal to 7 and common difference is 8. So that is one arithmetic progression. T1, T2, T3, etc. up to infinity. Okay, be such that T1 equal to 3 and Tn plus 1 minus Tn equal to An. Okay, so now you find out the the what type of series is it T, okay, and the nth term of T, and then sum to n terms of T. So that's what you have to find out. So they're asking you for some specific values, 20 and 30. Okay. Please think about it for a few minutes. Okay. Are you able to progress? Any of you know how to do this? Naveen?
So போட்டிருக்கேங்க சார்.
போட்டுருக்கீங்களா? Okay. Santana Mariraj Sonali? Are you able to try?
Doing, sir.
If you know how to do it, then I will keep quiet. If you are not able to figure out the method, then I will do some first step and then leave it to you. I'll continue. What about Sonali? Are you able to figure out this method?
ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் சார்.
Okay. சரி, கொஞ்சம் try. The first step is to get an expression for TR or TN. If you have made some progression, you can share with me, share with the rest. If you're just able to get an expense for Tn before even solving the whole thing, please tell me how you have done that. Anybody?
So Tn is equal to T1 plus S n minus 1 minus A1, sir.
Okay, A1 is given as 7, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Minus
Yes, sir.
7.
A1 is given as plus 7, not minus 7. Right?
Sir, SC n minus 1 minus A1, sir.
Okay. So how did you do? The T1 is
Sir, Tn plus 1 is equal to An plus Tn. So T1 is equal to 3. T2 is equal to T1 plus A1. Like that.
correct. T1 plus A1, A2, A2,
A1.
7. Common difference 8, yeah? 15, 23. It goes like this. So T2 is, as per this, T2 is T1 plus A1. T1 plus A1, which is 7. T3 is T2 plus A2. (23). Sorry. So you see that Tn will be goes like this. This 3 is going to come. Okay. 7 plus 15 plus 23 அப்படியே போயிட்டு இருக்கிறது. T4 அப்படின்னா 3 terms இருக்கு. 7, 15, 23. T3 அப்படின்னா 3க்கு அப்புறம் 7 and 15 2 term இருக்கு. அப்ப Tn அப்படின்னா இந்த 7 plus 15 plus 23 அப்படின்ட்டு n minus 1 terms இருக்க போகுது. கரெக்டா? So this is your expression for Tn.
Yes, sir.
Right? But this we can solve. This is
Sir,
a
option
simple...
A and option C are false.
What? Oh, you already completed the whole thing. Very good, very good, very good. But we will come to that.
Okay, sir.
So what is this value? 7 plus 15 plus 23 up to n minus 1 terms. In terms of n, what are you getting? Let's solve that. Okay. இது வந்து A இல்லையா? இது A1 x 7, A2 is 15, A3 is 23. This is basically an minus 1. So what is your an minus 1? Equal to 7 plus n minus 2 into 8. Yeah. Eight 10 minus 9. So this is 8 10 minus 9. Apo this sum to n term, n minus 1 terms, okay, is given by this sum is 7 plus 15 plus is n by 2. Here n is n minus 1, right? N minus 1 by 2 into A plus L last. Right? So this expression 7 plus 15 plus 23, if you know another formula, you can apply that also. And the formula that I am applying is A plus L divided by 2, that is the average, into N. That is what I am applying. So here N is N minus 1. N minus 1 by 2, 7 plus 8, N minus 9. Therefore, your Tn is going to be 3 plus this. Okay. Eight n minus 2. So this we cut pannila 4n minus 1 அப்படினு. So basically it is 3 plus n minus 1 into 4n minus 1. Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did others also get? I think Santana Meriraj is answering. But what about? Correct. 4n square minus 4n minus n plus 3. So that means 4n square minus 5n plus 4. This is your Tn in terms of n. Okay, Tn equal to 4n square minus 5n plus 4. இதை நம்ம செக் பண்ணி பார்த்துடலாம். Okay, so what is the T? So for example, T3, 1 or 2, அது மாதிரி பண்ணி பார்க்கணும், just to make sure that you are going on the right track. So T3 என்ன வருது இதில் போட்டால் 4 into 9, 3 square minus 5 into 3. 21 plus 4. So T3 என்ன வருது 3 plus 7 plus 15, 25. இன்னும் ஒன்று அந்த மாதிரி செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். But okay, this is correct. Okay, so this is therefore we verify also that this is the correct expression for Tn. Okay, so once you got it, then you know it's very easy. T20 equal to, simply put 20. Four into 400. $1,504. Is it correct or not? What they are given is 1,604. So first option is wrong. What about T30? So 4 into 900. 3,454. Because 3,600 minus 153. Okay, so T330 we are getting 3454, which is option C, which is correct. Okay. Now sigma T20. அதுதான் கொஞ்சம் இதுல இருந்து ஈஸியா பண்ணலாம். But once you know the expression for Tn, we can write down the expression for sigma Tn as 4 sigma n square minus 5 sigma n plus 4 n ன்னு போடணும். அது மறந்துடக்கூடாது. Should not put simply 4. When you sigma add up n terms, the 4 is going to come n times, so the last term will become 4n. I'm simply putting the formulas for sigma n and sigma n square. So now we have got sigma Tn formula. So sigma T20, sigma 20 Tn. We simply put 20. Four into 20. So 2 into 7, 14, 2 28 into 41. Now 32, 34, 1148, right? So this is going to be 11,480. Okay. This is going to be 5 into 21 into 10. So it is 11,480 minus 1,050 plus 80. So 11,560 minus 1,000, 10,510. So this is your sigma 20. That matching with the given answer? Sigma 20, 10,510. So that is the right answer. Yes, I may put sigma 30. Okay, so this expression comes to 4 into 5 into 31 into blah, blah, 20 into 1,891. So that comes to 37,940. 37,820. $37,820. இது வந்து 75 into 31 or 465 into 5. So this comes to 35,650. கொஞ்சம் குறைச்சு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 35,610 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Okay, so we saw that the first is wrong, second is right, third is right, fourth is wrong. So B and C are correct. Okay, B. B and C are correct. Okay, so there's one more problem, so I'm going to leave it as your homework. Okay, so because it's time now, wrap it up with this. Plan for one more problem. Okay, so let AP D denote the set of all terms of an infinite arithmetic progression with the first term A and common difference D. So if AP A D it is an arithmetic progression, infinite progression with the first term A and common difference D. That is a normal terminology. Okay, so where D is greater than 0, so D is a positive number. Okay, so now AP of 1 and 3, okay, intersection 2 and 5, intersection 3 and 7 equal to AP of intersection, AP A and D, then we have to figure out the values of A and D. Okay, so this you can easily do. You can write those series and see where are the intersections. So basically using LCMs, you can figure out where are the intersecting points. These are just APs. So you should be able to do it. Okay, so please work on this as your homework. Okay, and you can send the result to me if you have done it anytime. We will discuss in the next class. Okay, next class I am going to cover the two-dimensional geometry. Okay, lines and circle, parabola, and so on. Okay, two-dimensional lines length, I don't think there are going to be many problems, because the lines in both three-dimensional problems. Now the two-dimensional, most of the problems will come from circles, parabola, conic sections. So I'll try to cover maximum from those portions next class. Okay, this I hope you can do, right? This problem that is given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So we'll break now. Good night. See you in the next class. Yeah. Report.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay.